Tough, I lie. That is it. You see me, bad man, I'm not telling a lie. But I didn't know, say, you know, this sound like three a busy song them where I know and I forward to my mind, you know. I just told me he's not a big fan of Busy, why I can't directly tell you and pinpoint the name of the song. But uno will love Busy, uno know the song them with this similar. This, you see the song them with Busy have, where that song you come forward look like and sound like a whole complete same version of the others that he has, just like this one. Him have about three other songs where it's just like this from the start to everything. It's just that the Ilan Gully in there, and him still bad enough to make the Ilan Gully can fly over your head like say. Because when me hear this, you know, I say what? Now when I go so and see it, you know, I say what? Busy get blurt not the Ilan Gully rhythm and drop something on it. I lie, let me hear it. Zin, so I know where I'm there forward with, as I say. But guess what? I did start read all the comment them before I play it. You see me? And the comment them say, yo. The comment them say, yo, them did know say Busy I go bad and Ray. I did see people I think that too. People that already from the Ilan Gully fever out there. I see people are comment and Busy are one of the artists where the people them call up. You don't know people are gonna stop call up all Vybz Kartel, you know. So Vybz Kartel for them and rhythm. Vybz Kartel name call more than anybody else name, you know. Same for them on Ilan Gully. I see all post with Kartel picture. I say Ilan Gully ride out song by Vybz Kartel. And you know say I don't click on it. Come here say there's a can't true that. But me I go look black feet and see if I did that true. Yes, he said a verse, then I cut it. This way, must say it start weak. You want something high energy as some music go. You have to keep the flow, keep it alive, keeping it for drive steadily, heavily, hard drive. So you have to deal with it like a gring, a zing, shing, a junkro. Fly, motherfucker, fly. It's leprosy. That's the drive. Stay alive. Your body done good, and the farm you go farming good. Let the rooster come out of the tube, and she no want no concrete, she want wood, the whining. Dep on time in sexy, now your clothes. Come on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You want the whining. Dep on time in sexy, now your clothes. Come on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. It bounce the Ilan Gully, it bounce. Your pussy bounce the Ilan Gully, it bounce. And she say, off the Ilan Gully, it bounce. Your pussy bounce the Ilan Gully, it bounce. And she say, off the Ilan Gully, it bounce. Your pussy bounce the Ilan Gully, it bounce. And she say, off the Ilan Gully, bounce. Your pussy bounce the Ilan Gully, it bounce. And she say, ow. It's like coming up, and a vice music with me time down. Classical lifestyle in Jamaica. Miss loaded gun set with when go down. Skin your hole like a comedian. Find the dance floor, she a champion bubble. She dash she white from four corner. I bust a style like a Miami, she a get it up. You want the whining. Step on time in sexy, now your clothes. Look on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You want the whining. Step on time in sexy, now your clothes. Look on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. Bounce to the Ilan Gully, it bounce. Your pussy bounce to the Ilan Gully, it bounce. And she say, ow for the Ilan Gully, it bounce. Your pussy bounce to the Ilan Gully, it bounce. And she say, ow for the Ilan Gully, it bounce. Your pussy bounce to the Ilan Gully, it bounce. And she say, ow for the Ilan Gully, it bounce. Your pussy bounce to the Ilan Gully, it bounce. And she say, ow. So people, first of all, you know, see say mosquito don't bad like my blood clot pinky finger. I wonder if you know see what me attack say. Who any boy where I talk to about music, show them say show up on the spot something bad. You see this one I find for Mojo Herb combined with what he had already is an international hit this.
If the music and Jamaica care about our music surviving and being alive, then gonna push this for that song here forward in iteration a time. Because you don't need talented people like me with the mind we can create and design these type of rhymes and sounds and melodies. Yeah, I love my melodies, my good melodies.
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
This is my page, and the first post here you see in look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. One bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Give him a bird can't tame some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, superfragically, list PSPally, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In a every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, then be clarin and them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, when mad dog. Addi left a bad push with the cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad. Yeah, people. Me talking on me sleep. Yeah, busy find something on the hill and gully. People, it say that mad still from busy touch it now. Cause busy, him have a little style where him living for over 20 years now. With the, you know, from the picante, and them pan itch, gal. You know, him have them little. It's like him start living at them little gal song there, and you know what I mean, and then him they go gospel with it. That the court even had some, you know, leniency on him because him go do a whole gospel. Him pattern Beanie Man. Beanie Man did go do the shake that booty that Jesus gave you. Shake that booty that Jesus gave you. Shake that booty in the name of the Lord. Shake that booty in the name of the Lord. You know what I mean? So Beanie they go do that, and the church people them go for pull out Beanie locks in the 90s feet, you know. Cause them say, oh, if I mix up with Jesus, boy, shake that booty. And then you see it start become very widespread in the movie and all of that. I think the Americans them used to fool around with the Christianity like that still comically, you know what I mean? You know, the movies like the Wayans brothers them, you know, the Hollywood actors them, where them professional, you know, the whole comedy skit and, you know. Yeah, so a whole heap of them thing that busy did go on with some of that, do the gospel with the girl thing, you know. And no, I think Busy never really mix theme with the girl thing. Busy just sing over the whole of the gospel song them pan one track, pan one rhythm. You see me? Like him just sing over 10 different gospel songs and mix them all on one rhythm. And that busy though. You see it? I never really my type of thing that because at the end of the day it's like a easy mode you play. Because you sing where you grew up and sing. No much reciting now for going at it. You know what I mean? You sing the same song where you sing from where baby. And you know you just set it on the rhythm. So the only thing where busy using mental for focus pan is where him start which part him start with the song and where him end with the song because I say about 10 different gospel song him sing on one rhythm and it work in his favor too. You see me I say in a court can be get locked up and have court case and the judge them that played his music that same specific one to be exact the gospel track I think I must him liar them use it for talking him defense, you know. I say, yes, see, our artist is a good person. He just dropped a full gospel song that is doing great and, you know, and the judge go hear it and say, whoa, a Jamaican dancehall artist doing gospel song and, you know, yeah, so them was very proud and released Busy. You know what I mean? Busy a good boy, man, a good boy. Him busy demeanor never thing there fit well with the whole gangster thing with Movado and Kartel them because Busy much more closer and align himself with Assassin. You know what I say? Him and Assassin is like the same. If you check it, they're like the same. But no, Assassin. Alright, let me tell you. Assassin born with a voice. It's like a gift. That's why him could have bust so quick too from early, like him get drafted. Although Assassin same go time way for him love the artist them and try to connect with them and it work. And him have a voice, him have a rough tone voice where is value to the dancehall and the producer them, you see me I say? But Busy not really have no voice, you see me? Yeah. So Busy one at a time, Busy not really know which voice him I use. Him did sound like Assassin one at a time too. Busy. You see me? So him may start living a them girl song there. But Busy now, him find a bad song pan the Ilang Gully ride. The Ilang Gully ride rhythm. See? We love say Ilang Gully ride though, cause it's a long time 90s thing. You see me, especially town people. We usually say Ilang Gully ride though, cause so the song go Ilang Gully ride oh. You know what I mean? How when town come from? Ilang Gully. And the two bad junction, Ilang Gully. Yes, so yeah man, Busy. They don't anticipate say Busy song I got bad cause him have them type of flickings there, you know what I mean? But I think Busy him lack creativity, you know, even though the people them love it, theme like a style pan them like a jump and sound now one way, see? It's like him still we know where him come with. And at that artist, people nothing know where you come with. Because if as a man like Kartel now, them man they know where him forward with. You see what I say? So people can say, yo, Kartel I go flop. And then go so boom and shame them like the SYM. You see me? But when you're an artist where people know the style where you come with, know the flow, know the sound, where the same sound you have from 2008. But it a work still. You know what I mean? But Busy. No, I tell you, yeah, I just that, you know, Busy style, it have the dancehall bunks there for the girl them. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I think him learn it from in a Crutches morning. Well, Busy could have spit from long time, you know. From long time he could have spit. But for him build him confidence to know, say, yeah, him can stand up in that blurt now, girl segment thing, yeah, Crutches morning and find the song them. You have to do it couple time well before you realize, say, yeah, you really have it. But you know, Busy for try move more diverse and bring some new sound flavor and side. Can make the people them know it. You know what I mean? Cause me didn't know say something like where you gonna hear him play right now, say that him that forward with. Watch and see. Look here, what do you want to talk along? Watch how we're going at. Go turn up the scheme. Turn up the scheme, y'all, baby, make nice. Hold on. Oh, alright, don't go turn up the scheme. Tough, I lie. That is it. You see me, bad man, I'm not telling a lie. But me didn't know, say, you know, this sound like three a busy song them where me know now we forward to my mind, you know. I just true me is not a big fan of Busy, why I can't directly tell you and pinpoint the name of the song. But uno will love Busy, uno know the song them with this similar. This, you see the song them with Busy have, where that song you come forward look like and sound like a whole complete same version of the others that he has, just like this one. Him have about three other songs where it's just like this from the start to everything. It's just that the Ilan Gully in there, and him still bad enough to make the Ilan Gully can fly over your head like say. Because when me hear this, you know, I say what? No, when I go so and see it, you know, I say what? Busy get blurt not the Ilan Gully rhythm and drop something on it. I lie, let me hear it. Zin some know where him there forward with, as I say. But guess what? I did start read all the comment them before I play it. You see me? And the comment them I say, yo. The comment them I say, yo, them did know say Busy I go bad and Ray. I did see people I think that too. People that already from the Ilan Gully fever out there. I see people are comment and Busy are one of the artists where the people them call up. You don't know people are gonna stop call up all Vybz Kartel, you know. So Vybz Kartel for them and rhythm. Vybz Kartel name call more than anybody else name, you know. Same for them on Ilan Gully. I see all post with Kartel picture. I say Ilan Gully ride out song by Vybz Kartel. And you know say I don't click on it. Cause me I say they say I can't show that. They say, but me I go look black feet and see if I did that show. You see me? Cause me see a post with Vybz Kartel cartoon image. You know that cartoon image where them have seen? And the post of the same genius post where with the Ilan Gully. You see me? Just like the other one them when promote for the Ilan Gully song for the cover art, yes. Them put Kartel in a cartoon image like, you know what I mean? The cartoon version of Kartel on the cover art as Steve the Genius, Ilan Gully. You know what I see it, I'm say, yo, I scroll past it, come here, say I must joke. I should have click on it still, you know. I'm not sure, I go look for it, to see a Vybz Kartel really come. You know, you can't run with everything what them say, you know. You see me? So, I go check and scour the internet and see what I go on for that. You see me? But yeah, I could read what the post say, you know, and see what some of the comment them I say. So this I say, did someone say Ilan Gully? What did it say? Check. Busy signal. I can see what I go on. The song tough still, man, not lie, you see me? Yeah, the zillionaire. We knew this already. We want a new one from him too. What she mean? Oh, she want a new song differently from the Ilan Gully rhythm. So she want two songs from Busy. She want him on the Ilan Gully, which him just drop. Him just a preview. And she want a next song from Busy on a different rhythm. You see me? Folks, this song is like 3 years old. See it? Y'all are not keeping up with dancehall. Yeah, then that me I say, man. This is the Busy. These are the Busy song. But them put it on the Ilan Gully rhythm. Yes, youth. That go on. Correction. This song is 16 years old. You're not keeping up with dancehall. Backside. Jaja. Yeah, Gaza fan. We do pan turf pose. Google. You Google that song is 11 years old, not 16. I want the people in my fight about how much years old and who is Gaza and what Gaza. Me I tell you, say me is not a fan of Busy, but me know say Busy and Elephant Man they do one thing there, one Ilan Gully song for real. Me should know. And this was it, fam. This was it. I am a fan of dancehall first and foremost before there was any Gaza, Gully, Turf, Alliance, etc. Thought you were telling the folks the song is 3 years old, so now it's 11. Yeah, man. I feel like Gaza. That's right. Big up yourself. The quintessential. Followed up with a twaddle. Bun come answer show how buffo you are. Prick boy, prick boy need a book. He needs some books. Most creative dancehall artists of all. You must be sick. You're sick. What you call creative? These people don't know what creative is, you know. An artist with more style, sound, flows are them creative. You get me? People were sing about cash pot, people were sing about what a guan pan, what a guan. People were sing about dirty landlord. We are not even them people. You see me I say? Kartel sing about everything. That is creative. Them always want to give the biggest title to somebody who never full the blurt not shoot. You know what I mean? Jaja. These people are stupid. We could go back to the song.
Ilangoli rider, and then you bend down locally. Angoli, y'all print it locally. Angoli,
Yeah, you see me? Ilangoli
Angoli rider. You got that, bring in the valley, yes I do.
That is it. You see it. Yeah. You see. Yeah, my people, mad thing, you know. You see how the Ilangoli rhythm a kick up storm and a kick up a dust, a kick up all rumpus, rumpel skill.
No battery, please charge.
Bumbleclot, it a charge people. Sorry about that. I just plug it in. But it a charge concurrently. Listen to now. So, yeah, right now we have Mojo Herb. Him alone in the dark room, and him not have nobody to talk to. I just him on the Ilangoli sang though. Oh Lord, me I go play this one for you. Oh Lord, and everything Mojo Herb say is true. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Hey, I'm Mojo Herb alone in the dark room, and him not have nobody to talk to. I just see man the Ilangoli nango. Hey, yeah, just him and the Ilangoli sang though. Oh Lord, be a beg you. Yeah, so we're gonna play this, you see me? More time I just go on with some craziness. You see me? Yeah, I'm a virgin. Big up Mojo Herbs. You see me? I'm see him see him share that one up on Instagram. I'm say I have to drop him in the mix. You see it? Yeah, man. And get a fix. You see it? Yeah. I make people. You know, say a big artist, Mojo Herbs. Him work with the likes of Bushman. Him work with the likes of every artist. Him record every artist in the business. Get them dub plate. Every artist them money I work with. I tell you no, say I sleep at every studio, you know. See, I know every artist island wide, even the underground one them, you know, over the years, you know. We lose track of enough of them, you know, still, cause enough of them forward up. But when we there do music, all 14 with them, man. All 14 from town to Negril, Westmoreland, everywhere, man. No beer, no fear them, no dear. Me a pen, I no play a pen. Feel say you bad, come touch with them, Must is up, play them boats, yo. Any threat where you and your friend, not try to send, we can do. Member say, word a win, action me bring you kuda. Big anti can hug like zinc. Gaza me say, anything or anything. Nobody no afraid that you're talking. Don't be no fi frighten. 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 Me granny say, don't be no fi frighten. Me daddy say, don't be no fi frighten. Me daddy say, don't be no fi frighten. Them a talk but them can't do it no. Remember say, yeah, show me that badness up. Me pick me that. Rougher than the steel wood we score apart. Yeah. So we can go in at this, you see me? Ilangoli, the real Ilangoli. Busy, I know the real Ilangoli, you see me? Busy, couldn't wait him turn. Him an elephant, that the universe has shown me. Say busy, couldn't wait him turn and never wait him turn. Him should have wait till genius say Ilangoli before him and Ellie go Ilangoli. That's why them careers seem to go over the hill and the gully. You know what I mean? Cause them rush the thing. Them a try. You see, sometimes if you just build, don't try play with Jamaican national heritage. Cause you see it now busy get left black behind in the line of time. Him not up to the time. Him get left. So guess what? Right now, if busy forget the blur not Ilan Gully with him not gonna know have the right thing what to say with him and bringing out the studio with him. You see me? Yeah. So I telling you, sometimes you have to build, play around with the heritage thing them. So you see me? Cause now you see it, he mix the mix. So them would have to go scrap that song there. Him original Ilan Gully song where him go do from 11 years ago or 16 years ago or how much dear years ago, umpteen years ago. I'm gonna try scrap it and break it down pan the blur. Nah, genius rhythm, the new fresh Ilan Gully sin thing. You see me? So may I show you something original, barbecue and spicy and hot and original. You get me I say? No joke. This is Mojo Herb. And me have the Brahma. Watcha. Watcha.
Only I know. Girl, you have the whining. Step on timing sexy now your flaws. Come on your brace and on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You have the whining. Step on timing sexy now your flaws. Come on your brace and on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. Alright then, what a pretty senorita. Baby, can you come a little closer? Cause you want a top my blood fever. And the first time to the bump that's feeling. Yeah. Your body done too. And the farm you're performing too. Let the rooster come out of the tube. And she no want no concrete too. She want.
Let out the rules come out of the cube. Yo, it's like the end, the outside of the cube, but the rooster, Mojo Herb, locking at the cube. But on the little end up on the outside, wiggle our feathers. At Mojo Herb, locking at the cube. Cause that they cock there. A cock there. Now we a couple players. So here Mojo Herb. Pull up let me out of the cube. Oh, you mean tough? I like it. You see me, him refer to himself as the rooster, the fowl, whatever you want to call it. You see me? Yeah, man. Liquor end them a go on bad. Yeah, man. You have to start it. Anytime the liquor end them a go on bad, you have to start it. Cutter.
Whining, step on timing sexy now your clothes. Jump on your brace and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You and the whining. Step on timing sexy now your clothes. Jump on your brace and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. And move your waistline like coming up. And your vice music with me time down. Classical lifestyle in Jamaica. Miss loaded gun set it when go down. Skin your hole like a comedian. And the dance blush, the champion bubble. She got she went from four corner. I was a style like a Michael. She a get it up.
Tough. I like it. Well, yo, Mojo full of melody like no other. I swear. Me never hear an artist full of sound like this man. A one blood knot bird when me sip on National Discovery Channel or National Geography. One of them channel, but big geography channel about wild discovery, animal and them thing there. I see them show one bird and the bird tall. But the bird there is a very rare bird for spot. That's why I tell them I never see an artist with melody like Mojo Herb. Mojo Herb have some different wide, like you'll hear him do a song. And when you hear a next song from him, if you not see him do it, you can't know say him. And me upon the Dancehall War channel, I tell them say I suck Kartel music stay. I tell the whole of them upon Dancehall channel and this Dancehall War channel and this is how I show you say Jamaicans full of hypocrite. After me upon the Dancehall War channel, and me say to them say yo, Kartel is a man. You see, if you not see music video and you not see him name title on the song and you just hear the song and it's a new song where you never hear from him before, you can't know say a Kartel. Zin, and every man on the Dancehall War channel I tell me say I like a Kartel can't trick them from them hearing voice them know. And this is how me I tell you Jamaican them full of so much pride and so much ego that them blurt not afraid and always feel for just admit the truth. Because remember say Dancehall War channel full of be a done spot at chat, you know. Be a done spot at chat, you know. And then watch ya, we see Ding Dang. I'm gonna show you how them a done spot. We see Ding Dang forward out. Ding Dang was a hit maker from 2005-6. You get me? I say Ding Dang was a big hit maker from 2005. And Ding Dang never stopped find hits to blood not, even from the starting. Till everything Ding Dang touch, every song Ding Dang touch from the starting of his career is a big major hit or is a big major nice song where we all love. All me love dance song. Him voice unique. Ding Dang have a unique voice and him name too. Him name just have this power too. You know what I mean? Ring ding 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 dong. Ring ding ding ding. You know what I mean? It just and then you know what I mean? So it's like when Ding Dang forward in the game, Ding Dang is a man who know about music. Cause you can't be so consistently a find hits and not know about music. And Ding Dang sit on the Entertainment Report podcast on YouTube in the chair. And Ding Dang make it clear, saying at 2016 or sometime around there, Kartel drop a song, but him say him never know if a Kartel do it, but him a hear the song a play. Alright, me done talk. Me not have to say no more. You see me? And at that, me say on Dancehall War channel say, yo, me know say Kartel drop song, enough people don't know say a Kartel do the song. If them not see him name, title pan it, for them know say, oh, Kartel do this, just for hear it alone. Cause Kartel have this wide range of sound where him use for do music. You see me? But Mosquito lame, him stuck in this one sound. And him not understand say variety of the spice of life. Cause him dance, you know. Dance, big dance spot, you see me? See there are them lion here where I roar. Watch a lion roar at the Zion door. Or Ethiopia's not for sure. Watch a lion roar. Yeah, mama beat Yogstar, you know. Zin? Mama tell you where me I give Yogstar a little props, you know. Me I give Yogstar a little props cause him cause a big separation. With Rasta and the church thing right now. You know, and we want problem always. You know what I mean? We don't want peace. We want problem always. So, you see the Yogstar cause this splitting or this, that they must say still. I think they must take it out of proportion or, you know what I mean? Them just over exaggerate about Yogstar cause this big split in a Jamaica for splitting a two. like him a Moses. I might have forgot drop him in the Gaza Bible, you know. Might have forgot drop him in the Gaza Bible, you see it? Yeah man. No joke. As Moses, because what I think for you is being him as Moses, you know, because him, you see me? Him have the name. But if your action not fit the name, then at the man where the name fit, I go get it. You see what I say? Yeah. So I call Mojo Herbs.
The whining, step on time in sexy now your clothes. Look on your face and keep on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce. You have the whining. Step on time in sexy now your clothes. Look on your face and keep on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce. Only I know. Yeah, you have the whining. Step on time in sexy now your flaws. Come on your brace and find your tongue. Make your bumper bounce. You have the whining. Step on time in sexy now your flaws. Come on your brace and find your tongue. Make your bumper bounce. Alright then, what a pretty senorita. Baby, can you come a little closer? Cause you want a drop my blood fever. And the first time she love want to feel. Yeah. Your body done good, and the farm you go farming good. Let the rooster come out of the coop, and she no want no concrete, so she want wood, whining. In the fun time in sexy, now your clothes. Come on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You and the whining. In the fun time in sexy, now your clothes. Come on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. Can you be on this line like coming up? Yeah. Can you find some secret with Gaza? Classical lifestyle in Jamaica. Mix loaded, guns and it when go down. Skin your whole like a comedian. Find the dance, blush, champion bubble. She wear from four corner. I was a style like a my she a get it up. You want the whining. Get by time in sexy, now your clothes. Look on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You want the whining. When get by time in sexy, now your clothes. Look on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. Only I know. Girl, you have the whining. Step on time in sexy, now your flaws. Come on your brace and on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You have the whining. Step on time in sexy, now your flaws. Come on your brace and on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. Alright then, what a pretty senorita. Baby, can you come a little closer? Cause you want a drop my blood fever. And the first time she love want to steal them. Yeah. Your body done good, and the farm you go farming good. Let the rooster come out of the coop, and she no want no concrete, so she want wood, whining. In the fun time in sexy, now your clothes. Come on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You and the whining. In the fun time in sexy, now your clothes. Come on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. Can you be on this line like coming up? Yeah. Can you find some secret with Gaza? Classical lifestyle in Jamaica. Mix loaded, guns and it when go down. Skin your whole like a comedian. Find the dance, blush, champion bubble. She wear from four corner. I was a style like a my she a get it up. You want the whining. Get by time in sexy, now your clothes. Look on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You want the whining. When get by time in sexy, now your clothes. Look on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce.
Ilangoli.
Only I know.
The African Zulu sound.
Girl, you have the whining. Step on time in sexy, now your flaws. Come on your brace and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You have the whining. Step on time in sexy, now your flaws. Come on your brace and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. Alright then, what a pretty senorita. Baby, can you come a little closer? Cause you want a drop my blood fever. And the first time she love want to steal them. Yeah. Your body done good, and the farm you go farming good. Let the rooster come out of the coop, and she no want no concrete, so she want wood, whining. In the fun time in sexy, now your clothes. Come on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You and the whining. In the fun time in sexy, now your clothes. Come on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. Can you this like coming up? Yeah. Can you find some secret with Gaza? Classical lifestyle in Jamaica. Mix loaded, guns and it when go down.
Yo, me say, me sorry, I never did so him use the Ilangoli to that better, you know. Yo, you see, if him never drawn out the song to so far out, him should have dropped the Ilangoli right on the flat part of the rhythm here, so where just flat. Me understand same verse good still, you know, him verse bad. But watch ya, I'ma show you something. Watch ya, make up pull it up. Watch ya, I'ma show you something. See me how me correct the Tony Mataran and Ja Vinci song. I'm gonna check that vlog there when me correct. Watch how me go correct this. Bumbleclad. Yo, no go check the Tony Mataran and Ja Vinci. Oh, me show you how Tony Mataran spoil up Ja Vinci song. Now me I show you how Mojo Herb could I get that party. We a mother. Mojo Herb don't release this till you see this. That me I tell you.
Only I know. Girl, you have the whining. Step on timing, sexy, now your flaws. Cup your brace and to find your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You have the whining. Step on timing, sexy, now your flaws. Cup on your brace and to find your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce.
Then Ilangoli. That's bounce the Ilangoli. Bounce to Ilangoli. Bounce, then Ilangoli, bounce, bounce, 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 Ilangoli, he go kill Anthony, and all the philanthropists, and yeah, the boy Anthony, where the Ilangoli kill him was a philanthropist, yeah, you see me? The Ilangoli, he kill Anthony, the philanthropist, you know what I mean? Yeah. Watch out. We're going to get it again so no see it clear. Because that bounce, bounce, that sound the way make. Ilangoli, bounce, 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 Ilangoli, bounce, 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 Ilangoli, bounce, 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 Ilangoli, bounce, 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 Ilangoli, bounce, bounce, Ilangoli, bounce, bounce, Ilangoli, bounce, bounce, Ilangoli. And then he would have go in that part and know the verse. Wait there. Let me see if I ask you. Mama, I'll show you. I'm going to pull it up.
Only I know. Girl, you have the whining. Step on timing, sexy, now your flaws. Come on your brace and to find your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You have the whining. Step on timing, sexy, now your flaws. Come on your brace and to find your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce.
Bounce the Ilangoli, bounce, bounce the Ilangoli, bounce, bounce, Ilangoli, bounce, bounce, with the Ilangoli, bounce, 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 Ilangoli, bounce, 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 Ilangoli, bounce, pussy bounce, Ilangoli, bounce, 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 Ilangoli, bounce, bounce. And then him would let me hear him say next.
Now read and baby, can you come a little closer? Cause you want a top me blood fever. And the first time she love out the Stevens, yeah. Baby, your body done good. And the farm you go farming good. Let the rooster come out of the two. And she no want no concrete, she want wood, the whining. In the pan time in sexy, now your clothes. Come on your face and tip on your toe. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You and the whining. In the pan time in sexy, now your clothes. Come on your face and tip on your toe. Make your bumper bounce, bounce.
Bounce the Ilangoli, bounce, 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 Ilangoli, bounce, your pussy bounce, Ilangoli, bounce, 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 Ilangoli, bounce, your pussy bounce, Ilangoli, bounce, 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 Ilangoli, bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, bounce, 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 Ilangoli, bounce, your pussy bounce, the. You know what I mean? And then, yo, that would have tough. I that him for the Mojo Herb. That take my foolish advice. We're mad. We are the mad scientists, the music. Remember, you know, we try to save the music and the music industry, and they refused it because they want the money and not the source of the life of the entertainment that is nice, that is Christly like. You get me? I say, yeah. Believe me, like light. That is Christly like light. Light is clean. It's like light is like spiritual because light is physical. You can feel it, but you can't really touch it. You know what I mean? You can feel it. Light is like that Christly like what Christ is like, that the music fights. You know what I'm saying? Yo, make this bad. Bounce, bounce. Your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce, it bounce. Ilangoli, it bounce. Your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce. And then she can say, ow, ow, for the Ilangoli, it bounce. Your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, she, ow, ow, the Ilangoli, bounce. Your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce. She say, ow. Yeah, make her pull it up.
Only right on. Yeah, you have the whining. Step on timing sexy now your flaws. Come on your brace and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You have the whining. Step on timing sexy now your flaws. Come on your brace and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce.
Just bounce the Ilangoli, it bounce. Just bounce the Ilangoli, it bounce. Your pussy bounce the Ilangoli, it bounce. It bounce the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she say, ow, the Ilangoli, it bounce. Your pussy bounce the Ilangoli, it bounce. And pussy out the Ilangoli, it bounce. Your pussy out the Ilangoli, it bounce. Your pussy bounce Ilangoli. And then him do that go after him say that. I'm going at this.
Then what a pretty senorita. Baby, can you come a little closer? Cause you want a chop me back. And the first time she love off the speed, I'm your body done good.
No, Mojo, maybe I forgot scrap that verse there. All of this what you say now, it needs some more energy. Just work off of the bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it 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 bounce, your pussy bounce. You know what I mean? Yeah, brother, and work with that. And then you'll know which flavor and how to attack the verse. You see what I say? Just work with that Mojo Herb. The song they will bust you. And that me I tell you, you have to know the busting them, you know. Girl, I go bounce them pussy dog. Believe me. Ilangoli, it bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, ow, Ilangoli, it bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, ow, the Ilangoli, it bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, ow.
And the farm you go farming good. Let the rooster from out of the coop. And she no want no concrete, she want wood, the whining. In the pan time in sexy, now your clothes. Jump on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You want the whining. In the pan time in sexy, now your clothes.
Yes, that is needed. A party needed. All of this way must say now is needed at it. After I say this, you see me I say, that's how the bounce are coming in. It's like the bridge, you see me I say? Yeah, and the chorus. You see me? The bounce, the bounce, the Ilangoli, that are the chorus. This is like the bridge way I do now.
Make your bumper bounce, bounce.
Bounce the Ilangoli, it bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, off the Ilangoli, it bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, off the Ilangoli, it bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, off the Ilangoli, it bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, ow.
It's like coming on. And a vice music with me time down. Classical lifestyle in Jamaica. Miss loaded consent with when go down. Skin your hole like a comedian. Pan the dance floor, she a champion bubble. She dash she white from four corner. I put a style like a Miami. She a get it up. You want the whining. Step on time in sexy now your clothes. Knock on your brace and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You want the whining. When you pan time in sexy now your clothes. Come on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce.
Bounce the Ilangoli, it bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, ow for the Ilangoli, it bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, ow for the Ilangoli, it bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, ow for the Ilangoli, it bounce, your pussy bounce, the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, ow. Yeah, people. So you see, so we have the talent. That is how easy music is. You see me, enough boy will help shape them career. You see me, and them for just repay we by giving us a collab Or, you know what I mean? Give all the royalties, took our right song for them too. You get what I said? Enough for them in the industry. So when me I tell you how music go, cause me sure know say, uno know say that is a hit when me just find and I give Mojo. And that is easy. And me don't even want no royalties. Mojo for just know say I'm bridging that. And when him a go up on tour or anything, or when him can buy 4 car for himself, him know say, yeah, 1 can be for me. You see what me I say? So Mojo a hear thing that. You see what me I say? Yeah, mad thing, man. Cause I hit song me just give him. That is the key and the best part to it. But guess what, go on? What me just give Mojo, it wouldn't be complete without the party where him find. The party where him a go sing first. Watch. Yeah, this way my about this way my warm up fan I get into this at this shape, the part were great. Because without that part where Mojo find, it wouldn't be able to shape the part that is great when I find for game, for make it complete. You see me? Alright, I hear me now.
Girl, you have the whining. Step on timing, sexy, now your flaws. Come on your brace and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You have the whining. Step on timing, sexy, now your flaws. Come on your brace and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. Alright then.
The Ilangoli bounce, your pussy bounce. The Ilangoli it bounce. As she say, off the Ilangoli it bounce. Your pussy bounce. The Ilangoli it bounce. As she say, off the Ilangoli it bounce. Your pussy bounce. The Ilangoli it bounce. As she say, off the Ilangoli it bounce. Your pussy bounce. The Ilangoli it bounce. As she say, ow.
What a pretty senorita. Baby, can you come a little closer? Can you want a top my blood fever? And the first time she love out the speaker.
Yes, he said a verse, then I cut it. This way, I say it start weak. You want something high energy. As some music go, you have to keep the flow, keep it alive, keeping it for drive, steadily, heavily, hard drive. So you have to deal with it like a gring, a zing, shing, a junkro. Fly, motherfucker, fly. It's leprosy. That's the drive. Stay alive.
Your body can do, and the farm you go farming good. Let the rooster come out of the tube, and she no want no concrete, she want wood the whining. Step on time in sexy, now your clothes. Come on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You want the whining. Step on time in sexy, now your clothes. Come on your face and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce.
It bounce the Ilangoli, it bounce. Your pussy bounce the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she say, off the Ilangoli, it bounce. Your pussy bounce the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she say, off the Ilangoli, it bounce. Your pussy bounce the Ilangoli. It bounce, so she said, off the Ilangoli. Bounce, your pussy bounce the Ilangoli. It bounce, so she said, ow.
It's like coming up. And a vice music with me kind of classical lifestyle in Jamaica. Me loaded gun set it when roll out. Skin your hole like a comedian. And the dance floor she a champion bubble up. She dash she white from 4 corner. I was a style like a Miami. She a get it up. Wow, the whining. Step on time in sexy now your clothes. Look on your brace and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce. You want the whining. When you on time in sexy now your clothes. Look on your brace and tip on your tongue. Make your bumper bounce, bounce.
Bounce with the Ilangoli, it bounce. Your pussy bounce with the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, off the Ilangoli, it bounce. Your pussy bounce with the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, off the Ilangoli, it bounce. Your pussy bounce with the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, off the Ilangoli, it bounce. Your pussy bounce with the Ilangoli, it bounce. And she said, ow. So people, first of all, you know, see say mosquito don't bad like my blood clot pinky finger. I wonder if you know see what me attack say. Who any boy where I talk to about music, show them say show up on the spot something bad. You see this one I find for Mojo Herb combined with what he had already is an international hit this. If the music and Jamaica care about our music surviving and being alive, then gonna push this for that song here forward in aeration a time. Because you don't need talented people like me with the mind we can create and design these type of rhymes and sounds and melodies. Yeah, I love my melodies, my good melodies. You see me I say? That's why Kartel was say, cause it make we learn so much about the music. Cause Kartel make me know when a song is really a hit song. You get me I say? I must know for sure say, who no know say that is a blood clot hit song. The world know. Anybody in Africa to Zimbabwe, come right back to yard and anywhere abroad, hear that sound here. You see me with the pussy bungs. Them know say it's a hit. I could have Puerto Rico, I could have Puerto France, Puerto Spain, I could have anywhere it blurt not sun or rain. People know and can feel the same. And know say that song you have flame. You can feel. Hey, if you have pain, you're not gonna feel it ever again. You know what I mean? From your ear, this Mojo Herb, big up yourself. And this the rich. This year we have to be there. You see me? So people, I have the knowledge and everything. When I tell you about music, you know, if you believe me, that is proof. Mosquito no bad, so I'm gonna find music easy. I'm telling you, say music is so easy. It is nothing hard. You know what I mean? Just let your subconscious work and your mind work. And if you pressure your mind for the music a lot of time or sometime, you'll find out, say, and forward to the realization, say it's not really the pressuring, it's just allowing it to do its thing. Because enough of them boy don't really love music to where I do music. That's why them can't do it and them can't see it. So you have to generally love it from deep within. Me see enough of them boy were done talk about them love music. You know what them love? The money where it bring. Them don't love it. And me see a man do an interview on Kishima podcast or there, or on our channel, and that him say to one of the warrior them, yes, me remember who the man we call Bamba. I don't remember his name, but I know me I see him. I remember when him say it. I know exactly who. And the man say, oh, him getting at the music thing, the person who mentor him, that one of the first thing them tell him, say, yo, now coming at this for love money, you have to love it passionately for real. You get me I say? Yeah. And I succumb them say wealth out tight. You get me I say? Yeah, man. So we are gonna see more forward. That we know music will bless with the gift. You see me? Don't follow them because God bless certain people, brother, and never bless them. And them want to tell you who for sin, who for burn, and who God says the worst. It's them is the worst. The one who want to tell you how God think. You get me I say? But just read in the Bible, because all me I tell you say from the Bible and what me read and understand is that's how God work, how me I tell you now. You get me I say? God blessing people them. You see me? Yeah, man. That's it there.